Welcome back to the channel. Today this video is brought to you by Cost-Effective Maintenance. They have these solutions to most of your engine problems. So let's get into this package here. All right, let's get into this box and see what Jimmy has sent down to us. Oh, okay, here we have CRD Common Rail Diesel Fuel Enhancer. So this is going to eliminate, reduce and prevent harsh injector rattle in common rail engines. Recommended by Jimmy to throw in the truck just to help clean out some things for a little project I've got coming up. So you will find out all about that soon. So there's that one. Flushing oil concentrate. I have used this before. Really good stuff. Pop it in before your service, cleans all the sludge and all the gunk out, and then you're good to go. Really good stuff. And this stuff right here, the FTC Decarbonizer. Reduces blow-by, DPF cleaner, decoaks engines, deglazes cylinders, stops excessive smoke, faster cold starts, kills growth in the diesel, so all your algae and all of that, takes care of them. Really good stuff. Used it before, highly recommended. First product I'm using is the CRD Fuel Enhancer, just to try and see if it takes that knock away when she's cold. It gets real good diesel rattle, the old iconic injector rattle. So I just dropped 40 mil. It says to put 10 mil per 80 litres of diesel, so I just put 40 mil in each tank, and we'll go from there and see what it does at the next startup. It does say during refueling. I'm assuming that is so it mixes up properly while it is swooshing all around the tanks while you're fueling up. So I just have to do some brake checks backwards and forwards to mix it up, but we'll see how that goes as a just initial test to see how it goes. But the fuel decarbonizer will go in when I fuel up in the next couple of days, and then I've got to do a service soon also, so that will get done with the flushing oil concentrate, and then we can make some good videos and get them out to you guys. There we have it. Nice little package from Cost-Effective Maintenance. Thank you very much, Jimmy and the whole team up there. Great products. I have used them with good results in the past, and I am very excited to get these in the truck now and see what they can do for us. So this is what we're working with: FTC Decarbonizer, flushing oil concentrate, and the CRD Fuel Enhancer. Also in the package is a dosage rate for everything that you need, product directions, an entire booklet of the catalog and what they do. So we will run through all of that in another video dedicated to this, so keep your eyes out for that, and thank you very much.